Hi everyone, welcome to this course where I'll teach you how to build a voice AI agent that talks to you, just feels like human, and it has access to your Gmail inbox. You can read emails and you can compose emails. This study material is a part of a in-person and hybrid workshop that I do on a monthly basis. And throughout this series of videos in my YouTube playlist, you should be able to learn what is an AI agent, what can an AI agent be called, and literally build your own AI agent. You do not need to have coding experience in order to follow this tutorial, but having coding experience will help a long way. And also, since this is part 2 of this workshop series that I do, although they can be totally independent, you can follow all the videos from this playlist without watching part 1, but I highly recommend that you watch part 1. You can find the link of the playlist series from the description of this video. So let's kickstart. What do we have? Like there is this presentation that I'll go through during the playlist. And there is this whiteboard that we have, and we will do a lot of whiteboard sessions during this thing. The entire lectures of this playlist is divided after the introduction rounds, is divided in 3 parts. Part 1 is composing emails, part 2 is reading emails, and part 3 is vibe coding, so that once you actually build something that goes beyond the limits of these 2 awesome technologies that we'll be using. One is called Vapi. It's a voice AI agent platform where you can build voice AI agents and it can talk to you. You will see during the lectures what is this. And the other one is n8n, a Berlin-based company where you can build workflows, especially agentic workflows, literally with no code, low code. And the last part of this course is Vibe Coding 101, which is something that will allow you to build software that may not fit in these 2 puzzle pieces of Vapi and n8n, and then you have to do it custom by yourself, and still be one puzzle piece in the entire architecture. That's what we will see. So starting from the presentation. Each slide of the presentation will depend on this mega whiteboard session. And when I go in these slides where I say 1.1, that basically means one of these numbers that we'll go to. So let's start from the very first beginning. What are we going to build? We're going to build a voice AI agent. I call mine Samantha. And Samantha is basically the inspiration comes from my startup that you'll know in a little bit when I do my introduction. But it's a voice AI agent that I have and I use on a daily basis. It sits in my phone as a phone number. And I can use Siri in order to call Samantha hands-free. I use this literally on a daily basis when I'm driving and dropping and picking my 2 kids to Kita or kindergarten, hands-free while driving. So I do it like this. Hey Siri, call Samantha.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone first.
Okay, I'm sitting in front of.
Calling Samantha, mobile.
Hi, Amal. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you? And can you tell me something about programmers? Let's say a joke about programmers.
I'm glad to hear you're doing well. Here's a classic programmer joke for you. Why do programmers prefer dark mode? Because light attracts
Okay.
bugs.
So
Hope
can you
that brings a
please,
smile to your face.
yeah, you get the point. Like it's something that has been happening on the internet quite for a long time. We'll be building Samantha. She'll have access to our tools. The next steps of this voice AI agent will be adding tools and so on to it. And this is, to be honest, the very gist of what is going to happen next in the next videos. So that was the part 1 of our introduction. Let's go to part 2.